IPO devices. A computer is made up of many parts. These parts are also known as devices. Input devices. The devices that are used to enter data into the computer and give orders are called input devices. Some of the commonly used input devices are keyboard and mouse. Processing device. The device that works on the input is called processing device. CPU is the main processing device. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It works like the brain of a computer. CPU is fixed inside the CPU box. Output devices. The devices which help us to get the results are called output devices. Some of the commonly used output devices are monitor, printer, headphones, and speakers.